the Cinos 4K multi-content sharing solution, thanks to the Cisco Webex RoomKit Pro. As you can see here, we have 4 pieces of content being shared by 4 separate PCs and then separate video feed. We have 2 laptops here sharing X-ray images, and then we have another 2 laptops, one showing a Microsoft Word document which might contain the agenda for the coordinator, and at the moment in the 4th screen we just have an NHS website. But this of course could be any form of content we like. So as part of your normal meeting, you can share multiple pieces of content. In this case, it can be up to 4 4K content feeds. And then you can choose which piece of content to become the main item that you're going to be discussing at that point in time. And when you're finished with that piece, you can put it back and go back to your 4 content feeds and select another piece of content to then become the main talking point of the meeting. The idea here is it allows the meeting to focus on one piece of content at a time, but allow you to seamlessly move between them. This allows teams of clinicians to concentrate on patient outcomes and delivering the best possible pathway that they can.